Guys, this video Lord Bills versus Super Saiyan God Broly. Who could be win with battle? Eventually, Lord Bills can beat Super Saiyan God Broly because Super Saiyan God Goku, she can beat Super Saiyan God Broly because in the Broly movie you see Goku, she she killed Broly in his stomach, and Lord Bills, she can beat Super Saiyan 3 Goku in one flick in his hand. And people says Super Saiyan God Broly, she's stronger than Lord Bills, but that is wrong, guys. Lord Bills can beat Super Saiyan God Broly because in the Battle of Gods, Lord Bills, she can be stronger than Super Saiyan God Goku, and Super Saiyan 3 Goku is stronger than legendary Super Saiyan 3 Broly. And I'm sure Lord Bills can beat easily Super Saiyan 3 God Broly. Super Saiyan 3, Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan. Lord Bills can beat Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Broly. Because Lord Bills is stronger than Goku, and Goku is stronger than Broly. Bye guys, this discussion or opinion. Lord Bills versus Super Saiyan God Broly. Bye guys. Next time the new video. Tomorrow again. In August 24, the new video. And August 14, in 18, in 28, in 30. There are many videos uploaded in this video. Lord Bills can't beat. Firstly, Broly can't beat Lord Bills. Bye guys. Subscribe and like and comment in below.